Welcome to Engineering Simple. In this video, I'll show how to use the summation and perform a calculation. So let's take an example. Let's assume we have the summation of x of n from n equal to 1 to n equal 4, where x of n is equal to n plus 6 quantity minus n squared. So we want to evaluate this summation here. So the first thing we need to notice that the summation, from n equal to 1 to n equal to 4 of x of n is equal to x of n equal to 1, because I start at 1, plus x of n equal to 2, plus x of n equal to 3, and I'm going to stop at x of n equal to 4. So that's what that summation is equal to. Now what is x n equal to 1? So it's n plus 6 minus n squared, and I'll just replace n with 1. So 1 plus 6 minus 1 squared. 1 plus 6 is 7 minus 1 is 6. Oops. So here is the first term. The second term, x of n equal to 2. So I'll just substitute in that little equation. 2 plus 6 minus 2 squared. 2 plus 6 is 8, minus 2 squared is minus 4, equal to 4. So x of n equal to 3. So 3 plus 6 minus 3 squared. 3 plus 6 is 9. 3 squared is 9, so 0. So the last term xn minus 4. So 4 plus 6 minus 4 squared is equal to, so 4 plus 6 is 10. 4 squared is 16. So 10 minus 16 is minus 6. So the summation n equal to 1 to 4, x of n is equal to 6 plus 4 plus 0 plus minus 6. So obviously I have 6 minus 6 is 0, so it's equal to 4. So the main thing is just understanding what the summation means. Then you notice that n varies from 1 to 4, then you just write those terms basically. Then you calculate each term individually, then you just sum them up. Because sometimes, so this is simple, but sometimes it can look complicated. But if you take it step by step, then it becomes very simple. Thank you and have a great time.